Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up scan to email on a Fuji printer using a Gmail account. With this configuration, you can send scanned documents directly from the copier to your email without any extra steps on the computer. First, we need to log into the Fuji printer's admin page. Open your web browser, enter the printer's IP address, then sign in with the administrator account and the corresponding password. From the main screen of the admin interface, click on the Properties tab to access the detailed settings. From the left-hand menu, select Connectivity. Then go to Protocols and choose TCP/IP to configure the network settings. At this step, make sure your printer has the correct DNS settings and can access the internet. This is essential for the printer to connect to Gmail's mail server. Next, go to SMTP server. Then select General from the left-hand menu to enter the SMTP server information. In the SMTP server IP address field, enter Gmail's server address, smtp.gmail.com. In the port number field, enter 465 if you're using SSL or 587 if you're using TLS. Then, under the SSL-TLS option, usually SSL-TLS, to ensure a secure connection with Gmail's server. Next, in the machine's email address field, enter your Gmail address. This will be the email account used to send scanned documents. Next, under Login Credentials, select SMTP Auth to enable authentication for sending emails. Next, in the Login Name field, enter your Gmail address again. In the Password field, you cannot use your regular Gmail password. You must use an app password generated by Google. This is because Google blocks sign-ins from less secure apps and devices, and only app passwords allow the printer to authenticate and send emails successfully. Now, let's create an app password for your Gmail account. From the left-hand menu of your Google account page, click on Security to open the security settings. In the Security Settings page, type App Passwords into the search box to quickly access the section for creating an application password. Here, enter a descriptive name so you can easily remember what this password is for example, Fuji printer scan to email. After entering the name, click Create to create the app password. Google will display a 16-character code. This is the special password we'll use to configure the printer. Now copy the app password you just generated and go back to the printer's admin interface. In the password field under the SMTP settings, paste this app password instead of your regular Gmail password. Then click Apply to save all the settings you've just configured. After finishing the configuration, click Connection Test to verify the connection with Gmail's server. Here, enter any email address you want to send a test to, or use the Gmail address you configured earlier to verify the printer's email sending functionality. If everything is correct, you'll see a successful connection message. Next, we'll add an email address to the printer's address book. This can be any email you want to send scans to. Doing this makes it easier to select recipients for future documents. To add a new email address, click Add New Name in the address book. Next, in the Name field, enter a descriptive name for the email address. Next, in the Address Type field, select Email to define this address as the recipient for scanned documents. In the email address field, enter the email address where you want to receive the scanned files. This will be the recipient for documents sent from the printer. Finally, click Apply to save the email address you just added to the address book. Now, you will see the email address you just added in the address book. So we've successfully set up Scan to Email on a Fuji printer using Gmail. Now you can send documents directly from the printer to email quickly and securely. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.